Again, I bought two more phones from Ovantica. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these. Anything you see in this channel is bought by me. If at all I do a sponsored video in future, I'll definitely mention in the starting of the video itself. I already did a lot of unboxings and reviews on this website Ovantica. If you want, you can check those videos too, and none of them are sponsored. For this video, I'm unboxing iPhone 6s Plus 128GB variant, silver color one. It was a problematic device and it has two problems. The first one is camera shake, second one is vibration, and there won't be any warranty for problematic devices except the 7 days replacement policy. That's why the price will be very low for these devices. I want to give you a basic idea on how to order from this website for people who are trying to order for the first time. When you go on to their website and you like a phone, you want to order it, you should never directly buy that. First thing is you need to check whether that phone is in stock or not, or it has any problems. For that, you can WhatsApp them. In the website, you'll find the WhatsApp icon on the right side bottom. Click on that and send that model name or the screenshot of that model. They will reply you and you can ask the questions about the device, whether it has any problems like display is changed or the battery is changed, or it has any face ID issues or any other issues. And also you can ask for the phone's video. They will send you that. You can check the model number, serial number, IMEI, all those things, and the battery health. And if the device has any issues, they will definitely mention it before, and you can decide whether you want to buy that device or not. They do both prepaid and cash on delivery. For prepaid, you just need to pay the device amount. Let's take iPhone X for example. If it is costing 10,000 rupees, for prepaid you just need to pay 10,000 rupees. There will be no extra charges like handling, delivery charges. There won't be anything. Coming to cash on delivery, you need to pay 1,000 rupees extra. I think this is very new. So the total device cost will be 11,000. Initially you need to pay 500 rupees, and then when you receive the device you need to pay the remaining 10,500 rupees. I just checked their website, it shows 1,000 rupees. Back in 2024 when I placed my first order, they were not charging any extra money. Like if the device cost is 10,000, they were taking 300 rupees as advance, and remaining 9,700 is collected when it is delivered to you. But from 2025 they started charging extra money like 300, then they increased to 500. Now it's showing 1,000 rupees. So after my first order, I never did cash on delivery. I always did prepaid orders, so I didn't get charged any extra money. And the delivery time is like 3 to 4 days. 1 or 2 times I received the device after a week or 10 days. I ordered from here like more than 15 times. It happened only once or twice. Mostly it will be 3 to 4 days. Definitely make an unboxing video if you purchase, and try to use the phone for 5 to 6 minutes, but definitely try to record the unboxing video fully. Even it's try to set it in 720p so you can record 10 to 15 minutes of continuous video. That will be definitely helpful while claiming the warranty. Check whether Wi-Fi is working or not, display, touch, battery, and the speakers and the mics. Check the charging port too, whether it's working properly or not. If the device is good, no problem. If it has any new issue that is not mentioned, you can send that video to the Ovantica, then you can claim warranty. If you cause any physical damage or liquid damage, it doesn't cover under warranty, so definitely remember that. But if it is a hardware or software issue that's caused internally without your mistake, then you can claim warranty. Inside the box you will find the bill, the phone with a charging cable, and last the SIM ejecting pin, and there will be a warranty card. Only for problematic devices you don't get the regular warranty. For fair condition, good condition, superb condition devices will get full warranty. For Android phones it's 6 months, and for Apple products it will be 1 year. You can read everything in the website, or else you can see the video. I attached all the screenshots regarding warranty and returning process, and I'll make a full detailed video on Ovantica. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. I'll try to reply it, or I'll make a video on it. And coming back to iPhone 6s Plus, the device condition is as like they mentioned, the camera and the vibration, and device have minimal scratches, but display doesn't have any scratches. The touch is good, SIM is also working, Wi-Fi working, touch working, and the battery capacity is 100%, so it's mostly good. But the mic has some dust, and that is not a big issue for me since I am not going to use this as my primary device. You can play basic games and you can run YouTube without any problem. But it has a headphone jack, so you can use that for listening the music and using it as mic. I tried to give as much as useful information possible in this video. If you still have any questions on this website or particularly Sony Xperia devices, definitely ask them in the comments. I'll make a video on that.